Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you like tell something different about me? I have no more braces. I took off my braces this morning and I'm wearing my retainer. That's why I sound like dumb. I'm low-key sad I have no more braces, but I have straight white teeth, well, semi-white teeth, and he said I have to wear my retainer for 24 hours every day for the first month, so that's what I'm doing. I was gonna take you along, but I forgot the camera, so we're gonna start the vlog from here. I did go to the store, so let me just do a little mini haul. I went to Sally's, of course. So at Sally's I heard good things about this mask. The Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. I've been trying like every mask that's known to name. None of them have, like, they're good, but none of them have been like, dang, my hair is soft. So I bought the little try on sample, I guess, because the fucking regular mask is $20. Yeah, I'm not about to waste $20. So I got that. I got the Well Toner T18, even though my hair doesn't really need to be toned. Can you see like this little yellow spot? So guess who's gonna bleach their roots today? Me. I'm not gonna make a whole video about it because you're probably annoyed with me bleaching my hair, but you'll see it in this vlog. And then after that, I swear to God, I'm not gonna bleach my roots anymore. But once the purple shampoo fades, I want to tone my hair, so I bought 3 of them. I only need 1 for my hair, but eventually I'm gonna need it. And then I bought this is like I said, the Olaplex dupe, even though I feel like it works, but it's not like, oh my god. So this is step 1, that you put in your product that you're using, and then the conditioner. I'm fucking sweaty if you can't tell. And then I went to Trader Joe's because I'm on like my health kick. So I went and I got Plus bars. I got these little gluten-free crisp bread. They're not really bread, it's just like sunflower seeds, oats, sesame, and flax combined with crispy, crunchy, gluten-free crisps with maximum, like crackers. But these are only 3 net carbs per one. So I like to use these for breakfast, to like put an egg, avocado, and bacon on top, which I'm gonna do today. And then I got the bagel sesame season blend. Everyone talks about this. It's just like an everything bagel seasoning, so I'm gonna put that on top of that instead of like putting salt and stuff. Like when I make my boiled eggs, I'm gonna drizzle some of this on top. So yeah, I've been on my diet for almost 2 weeks now, so we're going strong. So we'll see. Oh my god, I look so weird with no braces. I miss them. I took off my retainer. I'm gonna eat my little sesame avocado egg, but first I'm gonna take my vitamins. I know this is hella extra, but my doctor said I'm low on vitamin D, so I need to take a vitamin D vitamin. But I take hair, skin, and nails. Plus I take a vitamin B2 for like energy. It's supposed to like help with your metabolism. And then I take a cranberry pill for like your uterus or down there. And I take a multivitamin. So multivitamin, vitamin D, cranberry, hair, skin, and nails, and vitamin B2. So I'm gonna drink my water. and take all these pills. Oh my god, I should have took them one by one. I almost threw up, you guys. But, okay, took my vitamins. Now I'm gonna eat my yummy breakfast. And we'll continue the day. Okay guys, I'm about to start my homework, which is this. It's our physical assessment. It's like a digital thing we have to do, and I have to do cardiovascular, start new camp. This is all the stuff I have to do, which is not a lot, but I have a lot of studying to do. That's how I keep organized for nursing school. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this, drink my water. It is super hot in Oxnard. You are annoyed with me saying, okay guys. I just got out of Target. I was gonna try to vlog in there, but everybody and their mom goes to Target now. But I got like my little coffee. Not little, but she put a lot of, somebody's coming. Let me just begin to drink my drink. La 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 la. I parked right in front of me, so it's not like hurry up and get off the effing car. So in my drink, I get an venti iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla and heavy cream. But I need to start telling them light heavy cream because they're like heavy-handed on it. And then I sprinkled some cinnamon in it because my friend Sasha said it's good. So, this is really... So, can you guess what I just did? I just bleached my roots. They're cooking. I have to wait 30 minutes for them to come out. These are the masks I have now. I forgot I had these. So, I just bought this one today, like I said. The macadamia deep repair mask. I'm gonna try that today. I've bought in this one, haven't tried it, and I have this one, haven't tried it. I've tried the Pantene one, it's like whatever. I've tried the coconut, Palmer's coconut one, I think. Not good. It leaves your hair like very oily. So not suggested. But yeah, I did put coconut oil in my hair before I bleached my roots. You're supposed to use virgin coconut oil, unrefined. So I have this one. I don't cook with it at all. All I do, sorry for the lighting, all I do is literally put this in my hair. Guys, my hair literally fell out. My roots are yellow. I put purple shampoo, of course that's super purple, but I have a deep conditioner in my hair right now. I don't even want to show you, but I will. I will show the internet. Oh my god, everyone's gonna be look at this. My hair literally came out. So I really don't know the length of my hair, or like if it's uneven, or how it came. Honestly, I should have never just bleached my hair. I should have just kept it brown. It was so healthy. Guys, don't bleach your hair. I mean, my ends still feel soft, so I'm like, why is my hair falling out? But I guess lesson learned, don't fucking bleach your roots every 2 weeks. So I'm gonna let this deep conditioner sit in. The macadamia, the one I bought today. It says 7 minutes, but I'm gonna let it sit in for like ever. I don't know where my breakage is though. Oh well. There's that breakage. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go back to brown. Or, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna charge my camera, decompress, and I'll come back. Guys, look at this. Look at this. What did I do to my hair? I'm not sad because, like, I did it to myself, whatever. But when I was in the shower, I dropped my phone because my mom was calling me, so it was vibrating off the rail. So now I have to go to Best Buy because my charger's not wanting to charge it. I'm on literally 3%, but you can buy like a wireless charger that you just put your phone on top of. So it's 8:23, well 8:20, Best Buy closes at 9. So I'm literally rushing over there to go buy one, and I'm fucking bald. I'm not bald, this part of my hair fell out, and I honestly don't know what other parts fell out. The only person I've told is Anissa, and I haven't seen her response yet. I'm scared to tell Yoli. I'm really probably never gonna tell my mom or dad, but if they are true Vi Marie 23 fans, then they'll see this video and kill me, so. But now I'm literally like 10 minutes away, no, less than 10 minutes away from the Best Buy. Oh my guys, look at my fucking little hairs. I don't know how I'm gonna hide this from my man. I mean, I don't need to hide it, but he's gonna be like, give me like a lecture of why I shouldn't have even touched my roots, but what did I just run over? But anyway, so I'm driving to Best Buy. I honestly just want to eat my life away right now because honestly I thought this day was gonna be such a good day. I'm gonna do my hair, do a cooking video, which I didn't even do because I'm not in the mood to cook. Well, it honestly takes less than 10 minutes, but I still don't want to do that, so I'll do that tomorrow. But this video will probably be up sooner. But yeah, I'm on the way to Best Buy. I'm almost there. Just exited. I exit. I can't talk. I can't say exit because I have my retainer on. So this whole video, you're probably like, oh my god, Maya, just shut the up already and just record yourself. And I have a double chin still. I mean, it's been 2 weeks, so I expect me to be like 60 pounds skinnier, but I'm not. But yeah, we're going to Best Buy. Oh my god, you fucking stupid ass man. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be filming and driving. So I'm at the red. Oh my god. I was just giving my friend a freaking advice on bleaching her hair, and then look at me. Look at this. Like, how do I even... It's just funny to me. I'm not even like sad or like want to cry. I'm just like, what the fuck? I should have just kept my hair brown. That's the thing. It was so healthy. That's the healthiest it's ever been. And then I go and do this. But after this, for sure I'm not bleaching my hair anymore. I'm just gonna let my roots grow out, and I'll probably dye it like a dark blonde or like a light blonde, not light blonde, but like, I don't know. I'll just dye it rather than bleach it. So we're almost there, we're pulling up to the Best Buy. Come on, minivan. Ooh, scooch. Okay, we're here, we're at Best Buy. Hopefully they have the portable charger that I was looking at online, because then this fucking mission to Best Buy at 8:26 was for nothing. Oh my god. What is this fucking stupid ass? Yeah, move. You see me coming and you fucking want to back out. Ugh, I hate people. I don't know what this car is doing, but I'm gonna park here, even though I'm probably gonna have to back up. Okay guys, gonna go into the Best Buy. Catch me, my little hairs later. Moment of truth, guys. I plugged it in, the light is on. Let's see. Yeah, it works. And my phone died, so. Yes, queen! Let's see, it's turning on. And this is an outer box, okay, symmetry. Okay. It's charging. Okay guys, this is the end of the vlog. I'm already gonna decompress. I'm gonna put on this face mask. Well, I already put it on. I have a face mask on, I have a hair mask on, which my ends honestly feel so soft, so it's just like this part of my hair that obviously fell out. I'm gonna eat my little keto grilled cheese pepperoni sandwich, drink my Diet Dr. Pepper, watch this new show that I got into. It's called Fleabag. It's pretty funny. I'm on episode 1 and it got me hooked, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this day in the life of Violet, what I have to deal with. My hair falling out, me dropping my phone in water. So I'm just gonna call it a night, and tomorrow's gonna be a better day. So thank you guys, subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye.